I swear. Like I said, it's the most difficult thing of the day is to figure out what to eat and what shirt to wear, because I really don't like wearing the same color, obviously, 2 days in a row just because I make a video every single day. So you guys are like, oh, you wore that shirt yesterday. But today I am rocking the Fear of God Essentials yellow, the yellow sandals. So I'm thinking maybe like just like a plain black, or like maybe this faded gray. I haven't worn this yet, actually. Maybe let's do this. Super faded, like, I don't know if this is natural or if this is sun wash, because it does like kind of go to a gradient. Like, see, it's really dark, then it goes to super light. But either way, this shirt is so fire. I got a couple water spots on it, but I just love the fade on this, guys. Like, just so crazy. So I woke up this morning, actually threw the tie-dye shirts into the wash. I first did a rinse and now I actually did a wash. Right now it's in the dryer. I think they're almost done, so let's go check them out. Today I do have a bunch of packages to ship out, about 40 packages, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be testing out the Dymo printer, hopefully getting that all set up. I should have done it yesterday, so that way today I could have just knocked it out, but I kind of wanted to see, you know, I just wanted to wait till Monday. I'm gonna do that as well. I might hit up a Goodwill today, not exactly sure what we have today for a plan. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the thumbs up button, let's get it. Okay, so keep in mind that the only reason why I tie-dyed these shirts is because they had maybe a stain or a flaw or two. And if you guys seem to enjoy it or like it, I'll continue to buy maybe a t-shirt that have a stain or two, and then I'll kind of repurpose it. I'm not gonna do the same colors every single time. I just happen to have this tie-dye kit, but I can definitely buy different colors or just do one color, just, you know, maybe mix it up. But this is the second batch. So we have this NASCAR shirt. This is probably about a size medium large. You can see all throughout. Then we have about a size small medium, Planet Hollywood. Then we have about a medium large, Niagara Falls Hard Rock. And these will be listed down below on my website. Pittsburgh. I love these colors. Harley Davidson. Vintage Ron John Surf Shop. Harley Davidson. And last but not least, we have the Polo Jeans Co. So those will be listed on my website, and remember, we are doing a promo discount code for the next 24 hours with the promo code EMC Vlogs. You get 15% off, $15 or more purchase. And remember, you guys can use it on the keychains. You can literally use it on anything that's $15 or more. So make sure you guys check it out, link down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now I'm gonna quickly knock out these packages. We're gonna go to the post office, drop that off, then we'll hit up the Goodwill, see if we can find anything good, and figure out what we're gonna do for lunch also. Because I don't think I'm gonna make a steak today. I am gonna take a steak out for dinner, but for lunch, I'm feeling a little bit something different. Maybe eat out. I've been making steaks and I've been making food for a while at home. So let's kind of make something, let's kind of find something outside today. Right off a rolling rack, we do have this Nike embroidered long sleeve, but they want $8. I think I'm gonna do a video of like how expensive thrift store prices are getting, because honestly, they're getting to the point where it's like not even worth me going to like Goodwills anymore. Like, I don't know, $8 for a horrible long sleeve is pretty ridiculous. What is this, Miami Nike? This isn't that bad, made in USA. How much do they want for this? $1? There we go, $1 t-shirt, that's what I'm talking about. Look how sick this Stephen Barry's kids leather Chevy racing jacket is. So fire. Unfortunately, it has some buttons missing, and I don't even cop like kids clothes like this, but someone's gonna cop this, and I really appreciate it. That shit's so fire. Got a bootleg Polo Ralph Lauren. You can tell by the tag, like, that's horrible bootleg. Timberland heavy coat, like the forest green fleece inner lining. I think I've showed this before, the Dallas Cowboys zip-up hoodie with the little Cowboys logo. Damn, look how crazy this denim is. 2,000. So I found this Toy Story hoodie. They actually sell it at Target for like 25 bucks, brand new. I think they want $13 though. I'm really like confused on that price tag. It's either 3 or 13. I'm not exactly sure what it is though. If it's $3, I'll cop it. If it's 13, definitely not. So last time I was at Marshall's, I showed you guys those Obey. I showed you guys those Obey camo pants, and someone actually DM'd me instantly and was like, yo, like, I need those pants. Sent funds over PayPal and was like, yo, go back and buy them. And it's been about 3 days now, and I just came back and I was like, damn it, they're not here. But then I remembered that they were in the denim. They were in the denim and they were hidden right here. I'm a YouTuber, daily vlogs. Yeah. Yeah. So these were the size 34. These are like, what are they called? It doesn't even say like the drip camo, but he wanted me to pick these up. So these are going to you, my dude. And I was trying to see if maybe they had my size, because when I first saw these, I really liked them. Like the camo is super nice, but they are 34, which is too big for me. But it seems like they only had one, so yeah. So I found these Levi like denim patchwork, and they're actually really nice. I think retail is 60 bucks. I think they're on clearance for like $10. A little bit short though, but pretty nice. So I'm gonna end up grabbing both of these pants. Hi Jackson. Hi. Okay. Easy. Easy. How are you? I know. I know. So I kind of changed my mind on lunch. I am just gonna do a steak. I'm gonna have dinner. You know, I'm not hungry right now, so by the time the steak defrosts, I probably will be hungry, which is probably like an hour or two. So we're just gonna pick off a night one. If you guys didn't watch my Costco video, basically I went to Costco, bought like 3 packets of steaks, and then I separate them and then I freeze them. There's probably about 20 steaks here. And I think I spent like $40 on all of them, so that's a really good deal. Someone commented the other day, like, yo, why do you keep Captain in a closet? Guys, he's not in a closet, he's in my room. This is my bedroom, guys. I know it might look like a closet by right opening in, but it's my bedroom. He was sitting on the bed. Hi, Captain, how are you? And I have to split them up just because they play too rough. Like, look at the size of Jackson and look at the size of Captain. I can't leave them out like unattended, otherwise they just will go crazy. Captain loves to knit at Jackson's hair. You'll see they'll start getting amped up and worked up, and Jackson will start biting at Captain. So it's been a few hours now. Finally the steak is nice and defrosted. So quickly what we're gonna do is put the oven to 400 degrees. And while that is heating up, you gotta go outside. Let's go outside. Where's your brother at? Where's Captain? Huh? Captain's in bed chilling. Captain, do you wanna go outside? Stop, I said Captain, not Jackson. Come on, let's go outside. Stop it. Stop it. Come on, Cap. Come on. Let's go outside. Cap, and you dragging behind? Hi, Jack. Came to say hi? You want a treat? See, the thing is, Captain knows treat, and Jackson knows cookie. Jackson, you want a cookie? Hey! I totally forgot, I got this vintage Reebok like puffer jacket, and it reeked of cigarettes, and I've been leaving it outside to like let it cool off, or like, not cool off, but let it air out. I think it's finally ready. I'm probably gonna take some pictures, throw it up for sale for you guys before the winter goes away. You ready to go inside? The pups. Yesterday someone commented, show us how you make your steak, and I think I've showed this in a video before, but I'll show you guys again on how, because basically I make a steak every single night. You guys know this. I go to Costco, I buy, I think it's the sirloin, or I'm pretty sure it's called the sirloin, and there's about 6 steaks in there. I cut them up in half, I freeze them, and then basically I eat a steak a day. Now I do eat chicken as well and all the other seafood, but steak is kind of like my specialty. I usually kind of go between steak and salmon. If the salmon is wild, then I'll get the salmon. If it's farmed, then I'll get the steak. Every time that I've gone to Costco, it's been farmed. I'm pretty sure that it has to be like specific seasons when the salmon is actually gonna be wild and not farmed. So since Jackson's big, he gets these kind of cookies. Like milk bones. Hey, get back, guy. He already knows what they are. And then Captain gets these, which is like small soft chews, just because obviously, you know, Captain is so big. So look at the difference. I'll show you. This is the difference. Captain's little treat and then Jackson's. Give Jackson's first because he's a Nancy. Easy. Easy. Captain, get back. Easy. Jesus, take off my finger. Let me come over here. Give Captain his. Takes him a couple tries. Boy, and then we come over here, one more for Jackson. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. We'll come over here, we'll get one more for Captain just because I feel bad. We'll give him like a half of one. And now for the cooking of the steak. So you guys saw me, I preheated the oven to 400. That's still working. While that's working, we take the steak, I put it on a paper towel, and basically I damp it off. And you're probably like, Emilio, why are you doing that? And because these steaks are honestly so juicy and I cook it medium rare that if I don't do this, it's literally gonna be a puddle every time I cut into this steak. Like, you'll guys see at the end how juicy it is, and I gotta do this. So basically I flip over each side and I dry it off basically. Next, I do take a sea salt grinder. I basically put it at like the loose that it can go. So basically it's like these salt grains coming out. It's like very, very thick salt. As you guys will see, if I can do it with one hand, maybe. It's so difficult with one hand. Let me put you guys down. All right, you see that? And then what I do is I take my fingers and basically I just push the salt down. And what that does is just lock the salt in. When I put it in the frying pan, I don't want all the salt to come off. So you basically just force the salt into the meat. And what also this does is it tenderizes it. A lot of people will put salt on their steaks to kind of make it more softer. This being a sirloin, it's already soft enough. As you guys see, it's well, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's very soft and tender already. It doesn't really need to be too much. And now we're gonna repeat the side. Basically, I'll flip it over and put salt on the other side. All right, the other side, same thing. We push the salt in, and now I don't use any pepper just because it's personal preference. I'm not a fan of pepper. I do use a lot of salto, and that's the only seasoning that I'm gonna use. Salt and butter is the only, I guess, other ingredients besides the steak is what I'm using. I'm not using any A1, any oil, nothing like that. Next, we come to the stove top. We put about like a medium to high heat. A medium is about 5, we put about 6.5. Come in and get some butter. While the stove is heating up, I might as well take out these. Like I said, these Obey pants are sold already. Basically the guy not made me go back for him, but he basically paid me so I can go back and get him for him. So those are gonna be shipped out to him. And then I did pick up these, and actually I looked on eBay and they go for like $50–60. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up keeping them just because they are a 30-30. As you guys saw, I did roll up the ankles, but I'm contemplating if I sell them, maybe I would get a 30-32 so that way they fit a little bit better. But I don't know yet. I do like my jeans a little bit rolled up, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the 30-30 or if I'll sell them and get the 30-32. Alright, seems like the stove is a little bit hot enough, so basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get a nice little scoop of butter. Throw that bitch in. Yeah, it's nice and hot. Get that little sizzle. Basically, I run it on the bottom of the pan, all throughout. Then I let it puddle up. Come here, take the steak, and drop it right there. And we let it cook for a minute each side. Get a little bit extra butter. The reason why I use butter and not oil, I feel like butter adds a lot more flavor and it's not gonna be as greasy. Oil is really gonna retain the grease. Butter burns off, while oil is just gonna basically sit there in a puddle and it's gonna be a greasy, oily steak. This steak isn't as thick as we usually do, so we'll probably do about 45 seconds each side, just because I don't want to overcook it. This is basically just kind of searing the sides, making it kind of like a jump start before we put it in the oven. All right, after 2 minutes, we get the baking pan, pick up the steak, plop it in the middle like so, and you'll see the salt still stick on, but there is some butter and salt. What we're gonna do is use this spoon and scoop it on top. Let me just take it and just drizzle it on top. Basically, this is gonna add more salt to it and just have it ready so it cooks nice and evenly. Get the rest of the butter, just coat it all throughout. And the oven is preheated, already ready set for 400. So basically what we're gonna do is just drop this thing in right in. Now if the steak is thick, about like an inch plus, I usually do about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. That steak is a little bit thinner, so we're gonna try for 16 minutes. I usually like about a medium to medium rare. I don't like it medium well or well done. So let's try it for 16 minutes and we'll check back on that. I am gonna make vegetables with it, and you guys know I get the vegetables. So we're probably gonna do some carrots. I have carrots, corn, as well as green beans. I just like them in the can, don't ask why. So we're gonna do probably carrots and maybe a corn. I don't know, what should I do? Probably carrots and corn, to be honest, today. So we'll leave these for the side. While that steak is cooking, I'm quickly gonna take pictures of the tie-dye shirts that I showed you guys this morning and throw those up for sale. Because I haven't done that yet as well as I'm gonna take pictures of the Levi jeans, just because like I said, if someone buys them, then I'll buy a 30-32. If not, I'll keep the 30-30 because I did like how the rolled up look. It's been about 16 minutes now. Steak's looking pretty good. Let's take it out. Man, that steak looks wonderful. Little rule on thumb, steaks, hamburgers, all, like any kind of red meat is supposed to a little bit settle for about 5 minutes. You're not supposed to touch it. You won't just let it sit there. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna let it sit there, and by the time we're doing that, we're gonna cook the vegetables. Since these vegetables are already cooked, all we have to do is heat them up. So basically we just put them in a microwavable little container. Instead of dirtying 2 dishes, I literally just put half and half. I mean, they're literally gonna touch and go in my belly in the same spot. It doesn't matter, they don't need to be separated. Put it in the microwave, put it for 2 minutes. And sometimes what I'll do while that's cooking, I just kind of let the juices, remember how I was talking about the juices, like that's all the butter as well as just the leftover. Let's see, I'll start pouring out. Obviously, the more you cook it, the less juice it'll have. You know, if you cook a well-done steak, it's not gonna have those juices. I cooked it about medium rare, I believe, I hope. And that's the reason why those juices are like that. Sometimes I'll even take a paper towel and just kind of damp on it. Just like literally absorb all those juices, you know, the blood as people call it sometimes. Now the vegetables are nice and hot. Basically, I just take some butter, pour it in the corn as well as the carrots. And just like that, we have the steak dinner now. Now the steak I get at Costco in bulk. I pay about $20 for 8 steaks, so figure this steak is about $2.50, and the cans were $1.25 or $1.50 each. So basically I just made this meal for $5. Like, that's the reason why I eat a steak almost every day, is because this was an under $5 meal, and that's how you make a steak dinner for under $5. It is a little bit darker. I guess it's about a medium. It's not too medium rare, but honestly it could have been a lot worse. And it is some nice pink, so we're gonna quickly enjoy this dinner. And I just wanted to show you guys how to cook a steak for under $5, and this is why I cook a steak every single day. Well, that's kind of the rest of today's vlog. I have to quickly edit, throw this up for you guys. I am filming this obviously Monday as we speak. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. A little bit different than, you know, the normal content, but I posted a poll on Instagram asking if I should post this video or if I should just continue like with tomorrow's video. And you guys said no, just post every single day. So clearly you guys enjoy the content. It doesn't matter if I go thrifting or shopping or whatever the case may be. Obviously we did hit that one thrift store. Nothing good though. The only thing I recorded maybe 2-3 things, so we didn't find anything good. We did end up going to Marshall's again, picking up those camo pants. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys think those 30-30 look good on me, or if I should sell them and maybe get a longer length. I'm probably gonna roll them up regardless, just because that's like the style or the fit, but a 32 will obviously be a little bit lower on my ankle than those were like higher up. So let me know in the comments down below if those jeans look good, or if you think I should go and get the 30-32. Don't forget, there's about 24 hours left with the promo code EMCVlogs, 15% off your purchase. Link down below. I have about 100 items listed. Check it out, emcvlogs.com. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for another EMC vlog at 8 p.m. And don't forget guys, let's get it.